How to share messenger chat memories. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you have been chatting someone from ages on Messenger app, Messenger has newly launched a feature from which you can see special moments from your chats. So to enable this, make sure your Messenger app is updated. You can update it via Google Play Store or App Store. So after updating your app, open it. Now here on top left hand side of your screen, you will find this hamburger icon. So tap on it. And then tap on settings located on top right hand side of your screen. Now scroll down all the way to preferences, and here on preferences you will find this option memories, so tap on it. And then you will see this kind of page. So here on top of your screen you will find this option memories, so make sure you turn it on. So simply tap on this icon to turn it on. And by simply turning it on, Messenger will time to time memorize you about your special moments on Messenger chats. So this is all you need to do to turn on memories on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.